If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making THATA MANOHARA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about quarter cup of Indian arrowroot powder or Palua. Then take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a cup of wheat flour or Atta, 1 cup of sugar, a quarter cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now in a bowl, take all the Atta followed by half a cup of Chena, half of the sugar, all the grated coconut, ghee, Palua, half of the salt and half of the powder. Now combine all of these really well. Then we need to knead it to make a medium soft dough, and the amount of water will depend on the moisture of Chena, so add the water in a small amount, and after you are done, let it rest. Now take about 2 cups of milk, which is roughly about half a liter, and place that on medium flame. Then to that add about half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it up really well and let it reduce almost 2/3 of the quantity. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball. That's it. Now similarly make others. And for frying, take lots of oil or ghee in a pan and set the flame on low to medium and add them one by one. And we need to fry these till they are golden in color. Then remove and transfer them directly into the reduced milk and let them boil till all the milk is almost reduced and it seems like rabidi. Then switch off the flame and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, THATA MANOHAR. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.